So we start off today's video with this gorgeous red head of hair. This is absolutely stunning, a classic way to wear your hair this season. Beautiful red coloring and the deep waves. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today we're going to take a look at some hot hairstyle ideas that you can try this season. So if you've been thinking of doing something different with your hair, this video is for you. Here we have someone doing a very interesting curling hack with their curl and iron. Wow, I absolutely love that idea. So much body and bounce with that technique. And then we have this split dye pixie of purple and mint green, followed by a bob that features some beautiful pink mixed in with the black. Absolutely love this color idea. Such a fun vibe. You could also do this with some clip-ins. Just mix in some color and you've got yourself a hot hair trend. So then we have someone rocking the wolf cut style. And they are simply showing us how they do their hair. I really like the exaggeration of this particular cut, and the bangs perfectly frame out her cheekbones. So pretty, and it has such a fun rocker chic vibe overall. Very cute style. Then we see someone go from a bob to this beautiful bob with bangs and yellow coloring. Wow, such a bold hue. And then of course we have this finger waved pixie. This is another very popular hairstyle. We're gonna see how to do this trend a little bit later in the video. But I love the romantic vibe with this particular look. And then we have someone trying out the color blocking trend in the form of a wig. I love this idea. Instead of worrying about coloring your own hair and risking the damage, you can try out the trend in the form of a wig. So this one features copper and blonde, and she's simply going in and styling it. This would be a great option for a night out if you just want to try something different, but really cute idea. Let me know in the comments below, would you guys try any of these styles out yourself? So here we have another look at that finger waved pixie, as well as several different styling options for a pixie cut. Crystals with the finger waves. Oh, so glam and gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.